Welcome to Old Town Lewisville, one of North DFW's best kept secrets. Today we're meeting with 4 prominent business owners that have helped to shape the revival of this historic area. So let's dive right in. This is Old Town Lewisville like you've never seen it before. Today we're with Rachel as she's going to share with us how Sparrow and Co is making an impact in this community and beyond.
Welcome in.
Thank you.
Welcome to Sparrow and Co. This is a renovated 1920s facility where we house our retail shop, our design house, our production studio, and we even do corporate gifting here. But our ultimate goal is to see lives restored. And so we do that through our restorative programs and our production studio right next door. I'd love to show you around the shop.
Absolutely. So I've heard you say shop with purpose, and right here it says your home can tell a greater story. What does that mean?
Yeah, so Sparrow & Co is a social enterprise. We want to make an impact in our local community and in global communities. And so we give shoppers the opportunity to shop with purpose, to make an impact with what they are purchasing. And so we would love for people to come and shop and make an impact right here in our local community through Sparrow & Co. You can go to sparrowandco.com and look at all the beautiful handmade products that we have sourced both locally and globally, and then the rope products that are made right here in-house by our women overcoming difficult circumstances, and through that, you can make an impact.
Today we are at Odin Leather Goods, which is a leather manufacturing studio and retail store here in Old Town Lewisville. And today I have the privilege of meeting with Mr. Odin himself and his beautiful bride, Rachel. I'm going to let them tell you a little bit about this store.
Well, we are a small leather goods manufacturer. We've been here in Old Town for the last 5 years, I believe it's been now. We do all kinds of things here. We make our own line of leather goods, which we sell here in this retail store. We have another retail store in the area as well. We do classes here, we do workshops here, and then we also do manufacture a lot of leather goods for other brands that are in the area as well.
Well, I'd love to see you around.
Well, let's show you. So what you have here is a combination of things that we make here. This is the Odin Leather Goods line of goods, and we also have a combination of other things from other brands that we really respect. Anything that's made of leather, we make here in our shop, right behind you in the workshop. And anything that's not made of leather, it's from other small brands like us. So every brand you see in here, almost every brand in here has a story attached to it. These are folks that we've had dinner with, these are folks that we know, these are folks we can call, and people we can talk to. They're the small companies just like us that are out here trying to live the American dream.
The other businesses here, other owners popping in. So glad you guys are here. Anything you guys need, let us know. And they genuinely meant it and also followed up on that. So that's the beautiful thing about being part of a city like this.
Well, I'd love to see kind of a little bit about the workshop and how it comes together. I am so excited to be here with Terry Sullivan, owner of Sullivan's Barbecue. And for the past 6 years, his thriving restaurant has been part of Old Town Lewisville. I'm going to let him take it from here.
You know, Ashley, we opened this barbecue shop. This is my 14th shop in the last 40 years. Half of them steakhouses, half of them barbecue houses. But let me tell you, right behind me, we're getting hot. Are you getting hot?
I'm getting hot.
We're roasting.
We're roasting.
This is our smaller pit here, and we cook everything on it. We call it the short smokes. So we smoke our sausages in here and our turkeys and chickens. This is our big pit. We do all of our long smokes on it, from briskets to pork butts and everything like that. So we cook a lot of meat here, sell a lot of meat here, have a lot of fun here, and we love Old Town.
What do you love about Old Town?
You know, it's a town inside of a town, right? So you got Lewisville, then you got Lewisville Old Town, and it's just a good group of people that support each other. All these businesses here, but it's grown up, and it's when I came here, all these apartments that you see around us, they were not here. So it's grown up in the last 5 years to where a lot of people have moved in, and it's done really well.
so excited to be here today with Randy and Rhonda, owners of the Main Street Mercantile and the Perc Coffeehouse. So I want to introduce you to them and let them tell you a little bit about their story.
Like she said, we grew up here, we went to school here. We kind of wanted this to be a thriving area, the community, and my husband wanted a place that everybody could come and meet, so he was the brain behind the Perc Coffeehouse.
Like she said, this is an old part of town, Lewisville. This is where we shopped when we were little. As everything moved across the highway, we wanted to revive Old Town, and that's kind of what been our dream.
And the Mercantile was just kind of we've always loved old things, antiques. We're the kind of the antiques of Old Town ourselves. And so we enjoy bringing the new in with the old. And so the Mercantile is just a little store that's a marketplace that has all kinds of fun things. And it's kind of a little curated area that's just unique and special and quaint, and we just love it.
I hope you enjoyed touring one of my favorite cities within a city. Now that you know some of the local business owners, I hope you feel more at home when you come to visit. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time as we live out the American dream.